will learn. Assalamu alaikum. Dear kids, today we will learn fruits name with spelling. Let's read with me. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Melon. M-E-L-O-N. Melon. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. Cherry. Dates. D-A-T-E-S. Dates. Coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Custard apple. C-U-S-T-A-R-D A-P-P-L-E. Custard apple. Guava. G-U-A-V-A. Guava. Strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. Strawberry. Pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Kiwi. K-I-W-I. Kiwi. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. Peach. P-E-A-C-H. Peach. Chiku. C-H-I-C-K-O-O. Chiku. Pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E. Pomegranate. Apple. Apple. Mango. Mango. Orange. Orange. Grapes. Grapes. Melon. Melon. Watermelon. Watermelon. Pineapple. Pineapple. Banana. banana, cherry, cherry, dates, dates, coconut, coconut, custard apple, custard apple, guava, guava, strawberry, strawberry, pear, pear, kiwi, kiwi, papaya, papaya, peach, peach, chiku, chiku, pomegranate, pomegranate. Thanks for watching.